Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me just 20 seconds to explain. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't really matter or you don't care about, just to stretch this into a 15-minute video, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for AWS right now and a few key things about each, so you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll drop a link in the description where you can grab my full research doc, completely free, and read it anytime this year. No joke. All right, let's jump right in. Top 3 VPN services for AWS and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for AWS. Why? It works seamlessly with AWS environments, which is super important for securely connecting to your cloud infrastructure. Speed, honestly, it's one of the fastest I tested. Low latency, zero connectivity issues, no packet loss, plus great upload and download speeds, crucial for smooth cloud data transfers. Features, it has more features than any other. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. It's got your AWS sessions covered, safe and sound. Pricing and support, affordable for what it offers, and their support is top-notch. Logs, nope, they don't keep any, no hiding there. Encryption, uses the best tech available, super important for protecting sensitive AWS data. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty affordable. Negatives, only a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for AWS is IPVanish. Why? It's straightforward and no BS, built for pure performance with cloud environments in mind. Speed, crazy fast, with consistently low latency. No lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth sailing managing your AWS connections. Features, everything you need, plus split tunneling. You can route only AWS traffic through the VPN, or the other way around. Pricing and support, one of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Often cheaper than the rest, but delivers top tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs, no logs, period. They've got an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption, AES 256, the best tech out there. Negatives, it's US based, a Five Eyes country, which can make privacy nerds a bit nervous. But hey, their no logs audit checks out. Server network is also smaller than the other two. Overall, clean, fast, and secure, a perfect set it and forget it VPN. Great for pure cloud performance and value. Third best VPN for AWS is Private Internet Access, aka PIA. Why? It has a massive server network and the most customization on this list, perfect for complex AWS setups. Speed, very good. With so many servers, you'll always find a fast, uncrowded one near your AWS region. Features, loaded with goodies. Kill switch, solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Great if you want to tailor security policies for AWS compliance. Pricing and support, usually the cheapest premium VPN here. Support is solid and professional. Logs, no logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, top tier tech, and you can customize it. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. Plus, the app isn't as clean or user friendly as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Ideal if you're on a budget but want a huge network and advanced features for AWS access. And that's it, my top 3 for AWS: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just because of the logo or colors, you'll be totally fine because they just work perfectly with AWS. Quick recap to wrap up. If you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for AWS with a premium experience, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN, offering incredible value for the price. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a massive server network and advanced features for AWS. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description, so you can grab the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and hey, let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.